But this is the lobby. They have like a universal. Went up the stair. Oh. Oh. Ellie's gonna love this game. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna try to get Princess Peach. Oh, by the way, I won 200 tickets. They landed in that one. Okay, this way. Hold on, yo, it's let's see what this hotel has to offer. It's huge. Yeah. So right now, I am poolside. When we went to go check in, the system was down. So now we're just waiting for a text message so that we could check in. The only thing is them dark clouds over there. And I think it said raining in the next 40 minutes. Also too, I think my aunt should be here soon. So we finished at the pool. We were able to check in, but it is pouring now. It's raining. I wanted to go into the lazy river.